is a class of microbiology, virology, and immunology. Now our section we study just now it's immunology. So that's why microscopical equipment hidden in boxes. This is standard our microscope. So it's maybe everyone knows about world famous companies that produce microscopical equipment. This is like Leica. So also we have microscopes like maybe mostly advanced European manufacturer like Zeiss. So and I have to say every student has personal microscope for various research. Yes, and class practice purposes. So and this model was at the international contest declared as maybe the best for studying purposes. So really it works. So our department has 70 such microscopes, 5 classes, every class 14 microscopes.
Okay.
14 microscopes. So and maybe you know our class is microbiological laboratory class, and the work with so-called pathogenic biological agents, simply speaking microbes, is greatly limited by various documents and regulations. Moreover, I think no need now to prove the value of microbiology in COVID-19 pandemic conditions. So students study here the all primary skills: how to work with pathogenic material, how to manage it, how to isolate microbes, and so on. So with such a knowledge, they go next to clinical subjects. So armed with all this primary information. So microbiology is included as basic medical science into all programs of all universities all over the world, and it will never limit this program. So that's why we are like preliminary course not only to infectious disease department, also to other clinical subjects like therapy, surgery, because everywhere are pathogenic biological agents.
Okay, so Professor, I would just want you to ask you that how about like the Indian students? You must have teach Indian students as well here, like from the beginning, because in this is the only university wherein Indian students have started coming in the year 2001.
2002, like we started, because we had got a great experience in training of foreign students since, if I am right, 1982, like so. But it was a long time only Russian medium speaking training. So that's why traditions are, I think, very old traditions. But English medium we started like millennium nearby, and they came to our course. We conduct classes second course, third course. So they came 2001, 2002, like so. And of course, initially it was enough. Not maybe difficult, but we had to organize some our training process, literature, and so on. So students use everything is available nowadays. Everything available in form. So, but also we have printed versions of the book, and to make the life of students more easily, also prepared our own books. For example, published this one. It's already past 2 editions, third one is on the way, and I have to say this book is used in microbiology not only at our university but other Belarusian universities that conduct classes in English medium and microbiology training, also like Minsk and Gomel, for example. So, and of course at our department students not only conduct classes but step by step participate in research work. I may show you some scientific laboratories if necessary.
Yeah. We will
Can
definitely go to the
okay.
So now we are going to the scientific laboratory wherein we will check the work of our students they have done here. So as you can see, this is the oldest university wherein Indian students are coming, and they have already many batches have passed out from this university. So this is really a very good university. And now we will take you to the scientific laboratory wherein we can show you some work done by our students.
This is like the laboratory of luminescence microscopy, laser scanning confocal microscope. Allows now to make a lot of scientific research. First of all, our direction of our scientific research is formation of microbial biofilm. This microscope allows to make morphological characteristics of the biofilm, and we study microbial resistance in biofilms. That's resistance in total now, problem number one in modern medicine. Multi-drug resistance of microbes to antibiotics, and in biofilms this resistance increases by several orders. One thing, and also of course we use such an equipment to make various illustrations for our textbooks, electronic versions of our teaching books. So, for example, we made three-dimensional images of microbes that we use for routine practice when training with medical students. And they also, of course, under our guidance, allowed to work with such a similar equipment. Student scientific research work, not only our Belarusian students are present here, a lot of diplomas, so and foreign students also. Those students from Sri Lanka,
Okay.
So, and I have to say, I have some connections with students, postgraduates, and I must, in my opinion, I may conclude that most of students who successfully studied at the university successfully passed national exams in various countries abroad or at home, like Sri Lanka, India as well, and so on. And then they successfully work. For example, I have no example from India, but some of our postgraduates on a correspondence in United States, in Great Britain, and so on. This girl student works in nearby India, Point Piedra. It's even north to Jaffna. So that's why successful works
just like the professor said, you can see that all the international students, including many of the Indian students who are successfully working in some prestigious institutes in USA, in UK, or in different parts of the world.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere. So it was a very long story. So that's why
we will discuss the story later on.
Group, Heritage Indian group. This is my first postgraduate course. You may take for a photo if you want.
Yeah.
Left side Sri Lankan group. This is Indian group. And this is Ganesha. Her version of Ganesha.
Oh, wow.
She said that he brings the fortune, something maybe.
Yeah. So there's an Indian girl. So
Raja Amrinder, I even remember her. It's long ago.
Who's a very good painter as well. So she gifted him.
During graduation.